And now I'm on my other machine, which is my main PC workstation, compared to the parts before, which were recorded on laptop. And I'm on my GitHub account, and I can see, and I'm going to click on tutorial alpha project repo. And just like before, I'm going to click on this green button code and copy this link. And I'm going to open source tree and go to clone tab and paste the link to Git repo. Give it a few seconds to recognize it. Now I'm going to change the directory, and I'm going to change it, and I have to change this as well manually. Tutorial alpha project. Now it's correct. So I think it's better to name the project first and then change the directory, but hey, just make sure that you have backslash and then name of the project, and at the end and below that you have the name of your repo or your project. Advanced options, just like before, we can leave it as default and clone. Now this time is gonna take slightly more, because compared to last time when we were pushing our project files for the first time, it was fairly quick because there were just two files, gitignore and the readme file. And then after that we added the third-person template files, but now we are cloning the third-person files as well, so we are talking about slightly less than 700 megabytes, so it's gonna take some more time, but it's gonna be just fine. Alright, our repo has been cloned and we have the history shown here. And if we click on file status, we should have nothing. And now I'm going to open the project and make some changes in order to simulate a scenario like my colleague or my collaborator has made some changes. And then I'm gonna go back to my first machine, which is a laptop, and pull or download the changes from here. Anyway, the project has loaded and it says failed to load build data. This is because we don't push build data. We didn't push it with source tree, which is fine because you can always regenerate build data and you will have no problems whatsoever. And let's make some changes. I'm gonna create a material and call it m_material created on, or let's rename it to by second PC. It's a very stupid name for a material, but just for the sake of easier recognition. And let's add another actor, BP second PC actor. I'm gonna create just these two files. As I said, this is silly, but just for the sake of this short tutorial, I've closed the project. Always make sure to close the project when you are about to make changes. Anyway, let's go to source tree and it should reload and detect our changes. And here we have this weird scenario. in which it detects like we did some changes on our files while we actually didn't. So I'm recommending discarding this and this, so both of these changes. So it's fine to click either discard or remove. So discard, it's gonna take a few seconds. And these files are the ones that we have created. Select both of them and click on stage selected. And now let's write a comment. The main label is done. And let's add some additional comments. And the comments are fine. Click on commit. Give it a few seconds and click on terminal. And just like before, git push. And now we have successfully made a push from other PC in order to simulate the scenario in which our colleague has pushed or collaborator. And now I'm gonna go back to the first workstation, which is laptop in our case, and then show you how to fetch, pull, and proceed with the process. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave your comments and share this video with people who might be interested. Please press like and subscribe buttons, it means a lot to us. If you're interested to get to know us better, check out our website at valsogard.com. Again, thank you for watching and see you soon.